Uminci rangba bandrap ka sarkar Jylla ba Prestone tensong hne ka shitarik unai lur ahaja arpo ulapente ba ka Jingtmu jo ka sarkar Jylla bante ka shopping mall Barik ka lomat Pynkiew ka Jylla namar ka Jylla hadu mentamane kampat don ki yo ki ba pakala ni ki bi hap kerdan kum ki weipat ki yo jang ki weipat ki Jylla hage jo ka por ba Prestone ulapente bru ba walada te ya ka yo Barik hindrei on pinti kana ban aibon ki jaka shong pangat.
The shopping mall we would like to have in Meghalaya, in Shillong especially, the standard one, where you have space, green space, where you'll have even a public space. Sometimes if you know, young boys, young girls, they wanted to have some kind of maybe a singing competition or a music night. We wanted to provide that also. Children, they can play, and then at the same time they want to buy something. Shopping mall, the concept of the government about the shopping mall is not like Muda. As I said to you, it is an inclusive shopping mall.
Hagajo ka poru ni Menteri Bandrap ka Jylla ulapente bakaledi Hydropark kan sara lut ikimrat nakani ka park Shaka State Zoo ka badan ha umtro badia kani ka Ledri Hydropark on sapulong kum gajaka pangat jiki ba.
Particularly about this Barik point, it is being, it's being surrounded by the roads. One is national highway, again state roads. I don't know, can you make it green there? Or if you make green there also, what is the point? For what? Because see, next to this Barik point, we do have Lady Hydra Park. And then very soon we are shifting the zoo from Lady Hydra Park to, to Umtreo. And now the zoo construction work is on. So we would like to complete the zoo, the state zoo, as early as possible. And those, zoo, whatever we have, we will shift it to the full-fledged state zoo place. Then this place, Lady Hydra Park, will be converted a full green park where, old people can go for morning walk, can go for evening walk. I think that itself is very good enough for the peoples around Shillong or nearby of this location.